Kiteboarder.
Kiteboarder. Wait. Kiteboarding. Kiteboarding. Michael, say hi. Wave. It's a video. Hey. This is Whitney. Jeigh starting up. The jet. I'm going to ski boat.
I get nervous parking. Where's the buoy that we can't have a wave or whatever? I don't see anything.
Oh, there's a gray cloud over our chairs. Let's go back and talk to the two boys.
Okay. I'll pull my tots out.
Her tats have been out all day.
They're nice and bronze. I don't see those buoy things.
I'm like, oh, those are heads. Bywater. St.Martaan.